Watch this. Hillbilly. Too sexy. I've checked into a lot of, well, not a lot of dentists, but I checked into a few to see what it would cost to have my smile back. And outrageous, just outrageous. The price is crazy. But we won't go into that. What I want to go into is, I watch a lot of videos on YouTube and the reviews on this Brighter Image Lab. And, you know, I was not really thinking, whoa, how beautiful this smile and people have and this and that. And I didn't know what to do with it. I went online and checked out their website, and I actually started to order some teeth so I could have a pretty smile again. Okay, let me back up. How about, I'm 56 years old, and when I was 20 years old, now that's 36 years ago, I had my front teeth knocked out. See? Look at that. 20 years old. The front teeth right here is what we're talking about. When I had them knocked out, actually my parents took me to the dentist when that happened. I was pretty messed up. Anyhow, dentist told my parents that my gums were like cornflakes here. If you look up in there, it's all indented. When them teeth came out, it just busted out the bone in my gums. And I had insurance at the time, dental insurance, and it was actually under my father's thing, because I still lived at home. You know, the dentist gave me a temporary thing, what they call a flipper. It was supposed to be temporary, but after a while he told me he couldn't do anything because of the cornflakes, and my gums turned to cornflakes. In other words, I couldn't have a dental implant. I could probably do a bridge, but this and that, and all the run around. So basically, this is what I dealt with. See this? It's called a flipper. This is probably about over 36 years. This is probably the 8th or 9th one I've lost count. I've had to go back. I've lost them before because I take them out when I gotta eat. I broke them. I've super glued them. I've been living with this, and this for 36 years. Try to smile like that. Sexy. Anyhow, let me show you something. That ain't much better. Now I'm a smoker, so my teeth are dirty and my teeth are yellow. Not dirty, I brush my teeth big. When I'm getting older, my teeth ain't too good. See that flipper? That flipper right there cost me, all said and done, when I lose one or break it, I gotta go to the dentist, they do an impression. Oh, I get out of there luckily because I don't have dental insurance, probably $700, somewhere in that area. All said and done. Now, every time I go to eat or anything, I gotta pop them out. Gotta kind of hide them because I'm embarrassed. 36 years it's been going on. Well, what bringing up this Brighter Image Lab thing, I was watching videos because what has happened is I took it out when I was driving. I'm self-employed, I run a business, and I was out on the job eating some lunch or stopped in a fast food, threw my teeth in a napkin, put them in my pocket, went on about my day. Forgot about them being in my pocket, I guess. Or maybe sometimes I would set them on my lap while I'm eating a burger or something, and then I'd get out of the van and I'd lose my teeth. I mean, not all the time, but probably once a year or so. Maybe not that much, I don't know. Maybe I have bought more teeth than 9. Anyhow, what I'm getting at, I was looking at the Brighter Image reviews and this and that, and I thought, well, these are, the Insta Smile, this and that, whatever they got on the YouTube veneers, snap-in teeth or whatever. And my wife laughed at me and says, "You're gonna have donkey teeth," when I told her I was thinking about buying them. "You'll have donkey teeth." You know what, that's better than no teeth, the way I looked at it. But she was being kind of, just, you know, not being mean or nothing. Anyhow, you see this right here? You see that? Brighter Image Lab. Let me show you something. Here's what happened. I went ahead and ordered these online. And I only bought the upper bridge because if you notice, my bottom teeth ain't really bad, but they don't show that much. I was gonna order both bridges, but I figured I'll just try this because I seen some reviews that was bad, but I seen a lot of good reviews and just remarkable what I seen. But anyhow, when these showed up, I went ahead and purchased them. I didn't finance them, I just paid for them online. And I didn't buy no express thing or nothing. And they showed up at a reasonable time. A few weeks I had my teeth. Now, when they came in, I was excited when I ordered them. I thought, man, this will be fantastic. And I was scared. I was like, I'm gonna be stuck with donkey teeth. That's how my wife put it. Anyhow, I got the thing in them. I missed them when they showed up here. I was out on the job and I missed them. So they was at the post office. I had to go pick them up. Well, I'll show you how excited I wasn't excited. I was more like no big hurry actually, because I figured, you know, I'm just gonna spend my money and get, you know, another flipper type of setup or something that don't fit, or, you know, some Halloween teeth, I don't know. So anyway, it took me 2 days to get up there to the post office because I was busy, and I just wasn't in no hurry to be let down, I should say. I wasn't in no hurry to be let down. So what had happened, I showed up there at the post office, and I couldn't, once I got my hands on the box, I opened it up right there when I got back out in my car, and I looked at them. Here they are. I opened up this little tin box, which was packaged nice, and another box, obviously, and here they are. Now, mind you, when I ordered these teeth, I did impressions, but I didn't realize that I had to. I don't know if they realized how far that sticks in on my teeth. It's awful. I mean, I got a big indent there on my gums, so I figured, well, what, you know, I'm gonna have a big hole up there on top if I buy these teeth. I was just so nervous about this. So I sit back in my van and I look into the rear view mirror, and let me show you something. Check that out, man. Wow. I was blown away. I actually had a tear in my eye. I've never smiled like that in so long. I don't even know how to act. Wow. They fit perfect. No adjustments. No nothing. I put them right in at the parking lot. Now maybe I don't have that lisp or whatever they call it because I wore that flipper for 30 years. Different sizes. Every time the dentist make one, it'd be different. Check it out. Are you kidding me? Look at that. All the way up to the gum lines. Are you kidding? I had tears in my eyes. I had to call them down there at Brighter Image Lab and just thank them for... I just... speechless. These people are fantastic. I mean, come on, man. Are you kidding me? Watch this. Hillbilly. He's sexy. Yes. Brighter Image Labs. It's serious. I'm serious. That's the ticket if you want a pretty smile. I don't know what else to say. Actually, my first video I've ever made. So, deal. That's what I got. Brighter Image Labs. Them people serious about what they're doing. And I haven't stopped smiling since. Have a wonderful evening.
If you made it this far, it's because you probably liked the video. Do me a favor, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Help us grow this channel. Our subscribers mean the world to us. I think you'll like what's coming this year. Amazing smile makeovers for people all over the world. Thank you for watching the video and hit the subscribe button. Talk to you later.